She didn't think that this would work with her hair loss. No. Most hair loss methods fail on thin edges, but not this one, ladies. Watch how this invisible alopecia cover-up blends seamlessly with thinning hair and bald areas. There's no fibers, there's no spray, there's no damage, there's no tension with this method. If you want realistic results without sacrificing hair health, this is a must-see video. Yes, as you can see, my client here does have some severe hair loss in the front and around her edges. Her hair is very thin in the middle and at the top as well. But no worries, ladies, because I am going to create a beautiful style for her. And when this style is completed, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss. You know, living with hair loss often means hiding. This invisible hairline method gave her the confidence to step outside without a wig or without a hat. Yes, ladies, she has been wearing wigs, hats, scarves. She's been hiding her alopecia. She's been missing out on parties, events, family gatherings. Why? Because she's too ashamed of her hair. And this style that I'm going to create, as you can see, I'm braiding her edges going down and not going back. This is to prevent any pulling and creating any excess tension on her edges. You know, this style and this method is going to blend beautifully with her thin edges and support hair growth all in one. Yes, this is a very protective style. As you can see, her braid pattern is almost complete. I did 2 braids going around her perimeter, and that was to give me a hairline for her, because due to her hair loss in the front, she did not have a defined hairline. And this is what you want to do, ladies. You want to make sure that you create that hairline by creating a braid going around the perimeter. And then the middle, where her hair was a lot healthier at, I just braided those braids going back. Then I'm adding a stretchy net. Yes, ladies, I always use the stretchy net. Why? Because it's comfortable, it's soft, it doesn't itch, it doesn't scratch, it's very durable, and it protects her hair. That's what we want. We want to protect our natural hair while we are wearing these protective styles. You know, for many years, people sometimes made alopecia worse by trying to hide it or trying to get styles that consisted of a lot of glue, a lot of tight braids or heavy wigs. Then finally, I found a safe, healthy method designed for thinning hair and fragile edges with no tension, again, no glue and no damage. As you can see here, I'm installing my custom frontal. Yes, this is my custom frontal, handmade by myself, and I am using this to give her the fullness that she wants and that she needs in the front. And this is going to make her hairstyle look so much more natural. It is going to give her the hairline that she wants. She's going to be able to part it in any place that she wants, whether it's a left side part, a right side part, or a middle part. Yes, ladies, this is what we want. We want our hair to look as natural as possible with our protective styles, at the same time protecting the hair that we do have. We want to make sure that we are doing hair growth. Yes, we want to make sure that we are promoting hair growth and not hair loss. So her hair is going to look full again. For the first time, it's actually going to be protected, and we're going to be converting her hair loss into something miraculous that she is going to love. She is going to be able to get her confidence back. Her self-esteem is going to be lifted. And yes, ladies, here it is. This is the beautiful style that came out. It came out absolutely gorgeous. It's actually really natural in the front. She has a hairline, and again, no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. So yes, we went from this to this. Look at that hairline. Oh my gosh, my client was so happy, so ecstatic that her hair came out so beautiful. So thanks so much for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to tap that bell so that you do not miss any of my videos as I upload videos every single week. Of course they got all that. Growth oil, yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl T back at